Hi everyone, in this video I want to discuss the use of betadine or povidone iodine in the wounds. Many times we see that betadine or povidone iodine is used to prevent infection in the wounds. The main point to consider is that betadine should not be used directly on the wounds, especially open wounds. Why? Because it delays the process of wound healing. It should only be applied around the wound to prevent infection, not directly on the wound. So the short answer is no. Why? Because it delays the process of wound healing. It should only be applied around the wound. The same should be performed for other antiseptics, including hydrogen peroxide or acetic acid. So don't forget to use this agent just around the wound, not directly on the open wound. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.